Have a look at him. Hairline receding, thinning top, crown thinning, and honestly, already convinced that he has waited too long. But what happened from here to here in 6.5 months only? Also, we will discuss 3 signs that will tell you whether your transplant is good or it needs urgent attention. Now, 3 signs of a successful hair transplant. The first is you will start seeing the growth after the shedding phase. Now, in some patients, the shedding phase starts from within 15 days to up to 2.5, 3 months, and then the growth starts appearing. But in many cases, the growth may start appearing even earlier. So, what you will see that there are few downy hairs which are coming up in the transplanted area. This is the sign number 1, that some visible growth is there. Let's say on an average after 2.5 to 3 months. Sign number 2 is the growth increases in density. The bald area, the recipient side, it increases in density month by month. And thirdly, the individual hair diameter increases in thickness as the days and weeks and months pass. If it all is there, it means the hair transplant is good. It is successful in the way that you are getting hair. So that means the follicles are active and healthy. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon working at Saraswat Hospital Agra, seeing a lot of hair loss patients and people who need hair transplant for past more than a decade. This is one of the educational series we are here with in order to make you understand better your hair loss problems, the options of treatments you have, and how to maintain your hair. So do not forget to subscribe this channel for many such science-backed solutions. This patient of ours came to us when he was 35 years of age, and he told us that he has been suffering from hair loss since his early 20s. He thought, it's okay, I'll gain hair, no problem, it's not much. So he took off and on a little medical treatment from here and there, but sometimes he felt the hair is good, but at most of the times he felt he's losing hair. So finally, it took him long time to come to us for consultation. When we did his trichoscopy, that is computerized examination of his hair and scalp, we could make out that though he has donor hair, his recipient area is quite big. So what we suggested that we should break the transplant into 2 phases. We should do it. The first phase would include the hairline strengthening, the making of good hairline, along with some part of the top of scalp. So when we calculated the recipient area, it came out to be good for around 2800 grafts, giving a density of 40 grafts per centimeter square in the front and 35 towards the top of the scalp. But before he underwent surgery, he wanted to see how he would look after surgery. This is where PeekAI came into function. So he downloaded Saraswat Hospital app, clicked on the PeekAI feature, just uploaded his pictures, front and top view. Within 24 to 48 hours, he received his probable results along with a few set of questions which made him understand his transplant better and approximate number of grafts which would be required by him. So now on your screen, you can see his trichoscopy report in detail, how much 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair grafts he had, and how artistically we put it on the scalp. This you will see when you will see the growth of this patient. So if you have this hair loss problem and you want to ask your grade or you want to ask what would be the treatment planning for you, you can definitely write in the comment section below so that we can guide you regarding your individual case. We chose the follicular unit excision method for him so that we could cherry pick the good grafts and we could accordingly transplant them in the front and top area. If you want to book a consultation with us, you can call us on the numbers below or you can WhatsApp us your pictures. Now you can see on your screen his pictures on the day of surgery, 4 days after surgery, 14 days after surgery, then 3 months after surgery, 4 months after surgery, and then 6.5 months after surgery. Now it is only 6.5 months, though you can see the result is so good that patient is so happy, he has his confidence back, and you can see there is very minimal scarring in the donor area which is not visible when he is keeping his hair normal at the donor side, as you can see in the combing video. Now this is at 6.5 months and the result is yet to get dense. So maybe after 12 months or 13 months when he will have his full density, the result is going to be excellent. Do not forget to share this video with someone who needs hope. If you want to know the cost of 3000 grafts hair transplant, please click the link on the right.